Hello and a very warm welcome. Thank you, Pranavi and Mamta, for joining in. And yesterday, it's not yesterday, but in the last session, we started reading chapter number 5, which is about the impact on others when connected to intention. It is such a beautiful chapter. The one of the most heart-touching lines that I read was, "Your impact on others is evidence of the strength of your connection with the power of intention." समझे? I'll repeat it.
Repeat once again.
Your impact on others is evidence of the strength of your connection with the inner power of intention. I found it really beautiful. And then he has introduced this concept of holy relationship. Holy relationship वो होता है जिसके अंदर you are, मतलब it's impossible to know any perfection if I'm unable to see and honor. It was talking about all the positivity in amongst all the people around. अगर आपको लग रहा है कि somebody is lower than you, somebody is inferior, somebody is superior, that is away from holy relationship. होली रिलेशनशिप विल बी वन जिसके अंदर आप दे के भी खुश हो, ना मिलके भी खुश हो. यू गिव ऑल, you are happy, you get nothing, you have no expectations, you are just happy in your being. And it said, establish a holy relationship with your source, the world community, your neighbors, acquaintances, family, the animal kingdom, planet, and yourself. Mamta is saying, oh, these relationships are so beautiful. Yes, they are.
Actually, many of the times it happens like, for example, let's say Karishma, you and me are there, right? And आज हम बात कर रहे हैं. Maybe let's assume we are speaking after 1 month, and we are again starting from the same. हमें ऐसे लगता है जहाँ छोड़ा था वहीं से शुरू करें. No regrets कि तुमने मुझे फोन नहीं किया या मैंने तुम्हें फोन नहीं किया. It's like that. हाँ, yeah.
Very well said. But this does not have to be confined to this room, no. It has to expand. It
Yes.
will expand. कैसे? First in your family. और हमारे को सबसे ज्यादा प्रॉब्लम अपनी फैमिली से होती है. हस्बैंड ने ये नहीं किया, बच्चों ने ये नहीं किया. अपनी फैमिली में शुरू करो,
Absolutely.
फिर थोड़ा सा आगे, फिर थोड़ा सा आगे. और इनफैक्ट आई थिंक इट विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम लार्जर टू कमिंग टू स्मॉलर. कि बहुत दूर के लोगों से तो वैसे ही एक्सपेक्टेशन नहीं होती. आप कर उनके लिए सकते हो मे बी इफ यू हैव अ दया भाव, बट देन थोड़े से और पास के, फिर थोड़े और पास के, फिर एट लास्ट अपने घर वालों से भी छोड़ दो सब कुछ. बट एक्सपेक्टेशन कैन कॉज हर्ट.
Always.
I'll read a few lines from this. In an unholy relationship, you see yourself as a separate from others. We have been talking about this कि हम सारे एक ocean का part है. And every drop of ocean is all of us, and in each one of us is the entire ocean. Now, I don't know why we see एक पानी बोबला पानी है, एक पानी कहीं का पानी है. अगर मैं ये डिस्टिंग्विश ही करना शुरू कर दूं, ये यमुना का है, ये गंगा का है, ये गंगोत्री का है, सब कुछ गड़बड़ा नहीं जाएगा. पानी तो पानी ही है in any case. This sun rays is coming from this part of the sun and this sun rays is coming from that part of the sun. We don't do that. Sun rays are sun rays and all the sun rays are coming from the sun only. तो हम उन रेस का ही हिस्सा है या फिर हम उस पानी का ही हिस्सा है. एंड वी बिलीव कि वो अलग है, वो अलग है, वो अलग है. We have to start seeing that divine in every human being, every living and non-living thing, to to start having that holy relationship. हमने करेज टू बी डिसलाइक में भी ये पढ़ा था, विच आई रेजोनेटेड विद अगेन अगेन अगेन. कितनी बार मैं यही रिपीट करती हूँ. आई थिंक कि हमारे को ये बनाना है इन ऑल रिलेशनशिप्स. नोबडी इज इंफीरियर, नोबडी इज सुपीरियर. सब इक्वल है, एक लाइन में खड़े हैं. अब आप किसको डोमिनेट कर सकते हो? किसी को नहीं. और आप किसको छोटा समझ सकते हो, किसको बड़ा समझ सकते हो? किसी को नहीं. एवरीबडी इज इक्वल. And that day, it will be a holy relationship when you see everybody in the single line. Okay, ji?
But Karishma, I find myself sometimes in a very dilemma kind of thing. You
What
know,
kind of dilemma?
dilemma in the sense कि हम लोग बहुत अच्छे बन जाते हैं. We look others like this from this perspective only. You know, but दुनिया सीधी नहीं है. So जब ऐसे टेढ़े लोग सामने आ जाते हैं ना, then you have to change yourself.
You don't have to change. People change. इतने इतना सुंदर एग्जाम्पल दिया था इसके अंदर. यहाँ पे ये देखो. Recently in a supermarket, I asked Franzier's clerk behind the seafood counter if he knew where I could find the salmon, smoked salmon. ये बंदे ने बड़े गंदे तरीके से उसको देखा. I saw myself as connected to him in spite of frustration showing through his behavior. A man standing next to me heard my request and saw the clerk's harried demeanor. The stranger smiled at me, went to another area of the store, returning with the package of Novalox, which he handed to me. He delivered me what I was seeking. A coincidence? I think not. When I feel myself connected to others and radiate the energy of holy relationship, people react with kindness and go out of their way to assist me with their intention. This is what starts happening. So there was this girl, her name was Muskan. Dr. Muskan used to come in this book reading sessions, and she used to feel very sad कि यार आपके बुक रीडिंग क्लब में आप इतनी वैल्यू दे रहे हो, why don't people come, why don't people come? And what she started doing, मैंने उसको कुछ नहीं बोला, she started posting my इसकी हर रोज क्लिक करती थी, she used to click picture of the book reading club and she would post in her stories, join the book reading club, join the book reading club. Was I asking her to do it? No. She was doing it on her own. I don't need to ask anybody to do anything. If I am connected to the power of intention, it will show. How will it show? It will show as per the relationships I have with all the people around me. और वो एनर्जी चेंज होती है लोगों की, सबकी चेंज होती है. I have experienced it. If you feel you have some wrong relationships with somebody, connect yourself even deeply to the divine. पूजा पुनीत वेरी ब्यूटिफुली सेज कि अगर मेरे से कुछ होता है ना, मैं सबका अच्छा करती हूँ, मैं सबको देती हूँ, सब कुछ करती हूँ, एंड somebody if hurts me, then also I keep doing good, but I keep reminding गॉड जी कि गॉड जी मेरा देख लेना, आप हिसाब रख लेना, मुझको आपने कहा है सबको प्यार करना है, मैं प्यार कर रही हूँ, आप देख लेना क्या करना है. एंड डू यू थिंक कि गॉड का जो बच्चा होगा उसको कोई कोई अपने आप को पूरा गॉड को सरेंडर कर दे? और if somebody does something wrong to me, but since my God has told me that I have to love everybody, I keep loving them. Will what kind of punishment is God going to give to that person? मैं जो दूंगी उससे तो ज्यादा ही मैं देगा. मेरे तो बस की नहीं होगी जो वो देंगे. How?
True.
I have heard my mom telling multiple times, I felt so sad because somebody said this and that. And I was like just talking to, in my heart, I was talking to God कि नहीं यार मैंने ऐसा कुछ नहीं किया. And I'm still happy, I'm smiling, I'm, giving to. So mostly it happens with the sister-in-laws. सिस्टर के हस्बैंड्स के साथ कि यार हम इतनी रिस्पेक्ट देते हैं, इतना खिलाते पिलाते, इतने गिफ्ट्स देते हैं, देन ऑल्सो दे मेक फेसेस, दिस इज दैट एंड एंड वन ऑफ द डेज दे केम होम एंड दे सेड समथिंग एंड माय मॉम फेल्ट वेरी सैड अबाउट इट, एंड व्हेन दे लेफ्ट. They went home, and next day morning they came back home to my mom's home and they apologized. They them, I don't know, we could not sleep all night. Did my mom tell them anything? No, she did not say utter a single word. What is it that made them not sleep? That is the power of the connection you have with the intention. Any of you have ever experienced such a thing?
Yes.
हम कुछ ना बोले, सामने वाला आके अपने आप ही बोले जा रहे हैं, यार आई एम सॉरी, आई एम सॉरी। व्हाट अ ब्यूटीफुल स्टेट टू बी इन। भैया मैंने तो कुछ कहा भी नहीं और मुझसे अपने आप ये अपॉलॉजी भी मांगने आ गए जिसने मेरे को हर्ट किया है। भाई तू नहीं हर्ट किया तो ये अपॉलॉजी कर रहा है, अरे बाप रे बाप, करो भाई।
Hmm.
Try it. It is a beautiful state to be in. Pranavi, do you want to share anything?
Nothing much, but then yeah, I have faced incidents like that, but I don't know. Apologies wise, people never apologize for that, but then maybe I feel that at least from their heart they should realize that what mistakes they have done. And I would pray to God that if they have mistaken something from my side, just give them the proofs that it is correct, and I didn't mean to do that, or I didn't mean to say that.
Hmm.
So I would just give a humble request to God. And
Hmm.
there is no we can't expect that they would come and apologize to us, but then somewhere at their subconscious, if they realize also, I'm very happy.
To be
So
honest, it is never with the intent that somebody should come and apologize to you. It is
yeah.
always from the space of surrenderance. Ki, God, I don't know what went wrong. I don't know
Yes,
what is
yes,
it that hurt them. I don't know what did I say that was wrong.
yes, yes.
I
Yeah,
surrender it on to you, but you have asked me to love everybody, so I am going to keep on loving. You take care of what is going wrong.
yeah. And I don't know, maybe I'm little naughty over here, but then I see people when they try to misuse me in few situations. um, I would act very innocent to them that I didn't analyze that, or I don't give even a subtle hint to them that I have analyzed what kind of fraud they're trying to do to me. But then I sincerely believe that one day, one instance, even I would get a chance to hit them badly. For sure, out of lot of patience, in return, really, God will give me a chance to make them feel what they made me to feel. So I would surrender to God that let He take care, and for sure that that incident or some kind of incident would come back to me in such a way that I would handle the same things back to them. And I somewhere feel that you need to be selfish in few things, where in few ways you're not supposed to spare them. Chance would definitely come, no doubt about it. I think I feel that that is also a great surrender to God, because at that moment I act very innocent and I act very loving and under ground to earth, and even the opposite person wouldn't sense that I have caught what kind of trick they have played on me. So I don't know,
Hmm.
and even I do enjoy when that scenarios come back to me, and then I would handle the same way they did to me in a subtle way.
I
Hmm.
am also enjoying these kind of moments nowadays. You know, when you find someone telling a lie in front of you, or matlab you find someone playing very smartly, and now I am able to, judge these kind of people. And of course, Karishma, you can make a sense कहाँ किस place का बात कर रही होंगी मैं. So, but now I'm learning to play bit manipulatively. Earlier I was like कि मुझे क्या फर्क पड़ता है यार, let them do whatever they want. I'll not involve, I'll not think about it. But nowadays I think I should bring them into a picture of that particular person जहाँ पे they are trying to play something. सो
Hmm.
दैट उनका भी एक ट्रू पिक्चर सामने आना चाहिए. हम हमेशा ये छोड़ देते हैं कि ठीक है, लेट देम, मतलब लेट द डिवाइन पावर्स टेक द कॉल और समथिंग. बट आई थिंक समवट समवेयर वी आल्सो नीड टू प्ले हल्का फुल्का, ठीक है, टू मेक द एनवायरनमेंट फ्रेंडली.
The best
I
example is in my community. I, being a social person, I requested one of the women to join in her group. So bluntly, she said all the ladies belong to the cream batch and that rich batch. But anyhow, Pranavi, I would just let you know, karke she told. So I felt very embarrassed because we all belong to same community. There shouldn't be a question of richness nor poorness. And trust me, great men are always simple. We need not show that we are rich or poor. It was just a question of friendship. I asked for that. And then maybe after 7 or 8 months, I don't know, indirectly, I got into that group without this lady's permission. The other groups where few of the girls belong to this particular the cream batch or rich group or whatever. Then she again came back to me telling that, Pranavi, would you please add me into that group? I said, absolutely fine, darling, I would do that, but for sure I wouldn't do that because she has she has given me a pain that telling all silly reasons and all that. So now I wouldn't add her and let she beg for it. And of course, out of love, I would tell that I just tried my best, but it didn't work out. So such kind of things I really enjoy, Karishma. But I may be not in this case, but then
I
yeah.
believe that what goes around comes around. I
Yes.
don't know what anybody has done with us or we are doing with anybody else. It's just a cycle of karma.
Yeah.
If I don't go back and do that to her, somebody else in the world is going to do it to her.
True.
Agreed.
If
True.
at all my husband used to tell me something ki tere mummy papa ye, tere mummy papa ye, I used to tell him, please shut down, please shut down, you also have a sister. Her husband will also tell the same to her, tere mummy papa, and exactly same that happened. And I was like, देखा बोला था ना, कहीं ना कहीं से वापस आ जाता है. Don't do it, don't do it.
True. It's a boomerang, actually. Everything, whatever we do, is literally a boomerang.
Yes,
It has happened many a times, Karishma.
it will happen. It is intent to happen.
Yeah.
All right. So, ये था हमारा पीछे का recap that I read alone the other day. Let's go ahead with alone we can do nothing. I think we will all agree to this fact, right? कि अकेले तो हमारे बस का कुछ नहीं है. We have to hold the finger of that Almighty to get through this, journey. आज का सेशन थोड़ा शॉर्ट कर लेना if possible. Okay जी, शॉर्ट कर लेंगे. Let us see how long is this part of the book. We'll read only this part only then. ठीक है ना? All right. When you meet anyone, treat the event as a holy encounter. To be honest, do you think you all sitting in this room is a coincidence? You were destined to be in
No,
this room.
it's actually a divine plan. I
Yes.
sincerely believe that.
And it is a divine plan that we took this book as well. Although it came out from Pranavi, the suggestion was by Pranavi, but was it necessary that we would pick this book? No. And had we not picked up this book, I would not even know ki how much deeply I am connected to the power of intention. Ki हाँ, अच्छा, actually, I do believe all of these things. And maybe it is the same for you all as well. Ki हाँ यार, we are living it somewhere. And somewhere there are places where we need to, upgrade ourselves as well. So nothing is happening without the divine order. That I also believe. चलो आगे पढ़ते हैं क्या है. It's through others that we either find or love ourselves. For you see, nothing is accomplished without others. A Course in Miracles says this so well. Alone we can do nothing, but together our minds fuse into something whose power is far beyond the power of its separate parts. The kingdom cannot be found alone, and you who are the kingdom cannot find yourself alone. When you eliminate the concept of separation from your thoughts and your behavior, you begin to feel your connection to everything and everyone. You will begin having a sense of belonging, which enables you to scoff at any thought of being separate. This feeling of connectedness originates with and helps you process all of your interactions from the point of view of equality. By recognizing others as co-creators, you match up with your source and move into the state of grace. If you are seeing yourself as either inferior or superior, you are disconnected from the power of intention. Your desires will be frustrated unless you connect with and support other people. Now here, not alone का मतलब है कि we are connected to everybody around. People. It is not the power of intention की जिसकी बात मैं कर रही थी. Now we know कि यार अगर मैं आपको सर्व नहीं कर सकती, how would I find value in myself? How would I find that happiness? अगर मैं अकेले ही हर रोज ये सेशन करती, I don't think it would have given me that much pleasure as much as it gives me when you are in this room. When we talk, when we discuss something, it does give us a sense of belongingness. Ki, haan, we are a family. We know we can discuss this openly, right?
Right.
And वो क्यों है? क्योंकि we all feel that we all are equals. अब यही चीज हमको बाहर भी implement करनी है. It is so good that when we do this session and we become one with each other, at least कहीं पे तो हम एक हो रहे हैं. कहीं पे तो वो क्लैश नहीं कर रहे हैं हम. कहीं पे तो वी ऑल आर सेलिंग इनटू द सेम बोट टुगेदर. अभी यही कमरे से बाहर जाएंगे, कोई कुछ कह देगा, कोई कुछ कह देगा, एंड वी विल बी लाइक थोड़ा थोड़े 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 अच्छा 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 इधर उधर से कॉर्नर्स कट करके निकलना शुरू हो जाएंगे. हाउ अबाउट सिटिंग एंड अंडरस्टैंडिंग कि हाय राम किस फेस से ये बंदा जा रहा है. बिकॉज द अदर डे आई वाज इन अ क्लैरिटी कॉल विद समबडी एंड आई वाज टेलिंग हर दिस एंड ओनली कि we see the problems in others only because we don't see them exactly like us. हम उनको जज ही करते रहते हैं, जज ही करते रहते हैं. वी नेवर see the perspective that they have come from a different background. They have their own perspectives. They are doing their best as per their knowledge of the world. Nobody is ever in our disfavor. Everybody is doing जो उसको बेस्ट समझ में आ रहा है एट दैट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम. हम करते हैं क्या? हम अपने हिसाब से, हम अगर अपने पास्ट को देखें कि वर बी ऑलवेज वेरी करेक्ट, आई डोंट थिंक सो. पर हम उस टाइम पे जो हम कर रहे थे वो हमारी विजडम, हमारी नॉलेज के हिसाब से बेस्ट था. अगर वही सिचुएशन में हम आज खड़े होंगे तो विल वी डू द सेम थिंग? मे बी नॉट, बिकॉज वी हैव इवॉल्व्ड. How you interact with the universal support team is significant. How you view others is a projection of how you view yourself. Consistently seeing others as worthless means you are erecting a roadblock for your potential allies. See others as weak and you are simultaneously attacking weak energies. Persistently viewing others as dishonest, lazy, sinful, and so on may mean that you need to feel superior. Constantly seeing others critically can be a way of compensating for something you fear. But you don't need to understand this psychological mechanism. All you have to do is recognize how you view others. If there is a pattern of seeing others as failures, you only need to notice the pattern as evidence of what you are attracting into your life. Although it is saying that हमारे को ये psychology समझने की जरूरत नहीं है, but it is very evident in our, it is actually very important for us to understand this. कि अगर हम किसी को, सामने वाले को डिसऑनेस्ट और ये और वो देख रहे हैं, इसका मतलब है कि देयर इज समथिंग इन अस दैट इज लैकिंग, जिसको हम कवर अप कर रहे हैं. वी हैव रेड अबाउट दिस इन द बुक माउंटेन इज यू. वी डू सच थिंग्स ओनली टू हाइड आवर ओन वीक पॉइंट्स. हम किसी और को पुल डाउन तब करते हैं जब हमारे को अपने आप को उनसे बड़ा दिखाना होता है. अदरवाइज वी डू नॉट नीड टू पुल एनीबडी डाउन. And most of us criticize others only to prove that I am better. And if we understand and when we see this pattern, कि हम किसी और को down pull कर रहे हैं, we should understand that this is something that we should not be doing and start working on it. And in any case, whatever you notice in others, understand that that is also a part of you. That is why you are understanding that that is in that person. मेरे को पता ही नहीं होगा कि if somebody is doing something, for them it is something, naughty. And for me, if I'm saying he's so clever, that means that is me. I see cleverness in somebody else if I am clever. And I will see naughtiness in the same action if I am naughty. Do you get that? ममता को समझ में आया? I can see only Mamta. I cannot see Pranavi.
Yeah,
Mamta,
I understood, Karishma.
because we have the vocabulary of the words that we have inside of us. It is so important to see interactions as holy encounters. अरे ये तो हमने पढ़ लिया था. Okay, है? ये क्या हुआ? It is so important to see interactions with them because this sets in motion an attractor energy pattern. In a holy relationship, you attract the collaborations of higher energies. In an unholy relationship, the attractor pattern exists too, attracting low energies and more unholy relationships. By bringing higher spiritual energy to everyone you encounter, you dissolve lower energies. When the energies of kindness, love, receptivity, and abundance are present in your relationships, you have brought the exile of spiritual creation and or the love of the creator right into the mix. Now, those forces begin to work on everyone in your environment. The right people magically appear. The right materials show up. The phone rings and someone gives you the information you have been wanting for months. Strangers often suggestions that make sense to you. As I mentioned earlier, these types of coincidences are like mathematical angles that coincide and fit together perfectly. Treat others as co-creators and have divine expectations for them. Don't view anyone as ordinary unless, of course, you wish to have more of the ordinary manifest into your world. Wow, isn't that beautiful? Okay. फिर हमारे को ऑर्डिनरी चाहिए कि एक्स्ट्राऑर्डिनरी?
You can be extraordinary being ordinary.
So it is a choice, right, that we make.
Yes.
हम हैं तो सारे ordinary beings हैं maybe, but we choose to become extraordinary when we take one step every single day towards being a better being. And whatever we be, we attract. हाँ जी ममता.
Yes, agree.
आगे.
Every day we are putting up efforts to be a better version of ourselves, to being extraordinary.
So there is
Trying to.
one of my mentors runs this extraordinary challenge. And it used to be very, hectic kind of a thing. वो extraordinary challenge इसलिए था because we used to choose our targets every single day ourselves. And we had to do it ourselves as well. But in case we cannot do it, we fail to do it, we used to give her 500 rupees. क्या बताओ? So that is why it was extraordinary challenge, because it made us push to the extent we can, so that we do not have to pay her 500 rupees. Although it went for the, donation of feeding the underprivileged kids, but फिर भी. कल पढ़ेंगे हम from ordinary to extraordinary. Not कल, but on Monday at 10 p.m. We will be reading ordinary to extraordinary. ठीक है? And afternoon timings have been shifted from 2 p.m. to 1:30 p.m. for the next week. And if everybody is okay with it, then we'll shift it to 1 p.m. Okay?
In which chapter you are in the afternoon session, Karishma?
We are on chapter 3, I think.
Okay. All right.
I haven't yet got the book, pata hai. I'm still reading from this PDF only.
I have
Rafi also
ordered
starts.
immediately after 2 days. I've got the book, but then
You got it.
my friends have come home and I mean, they are from Delhi actually. So they stayed at my place for 3 days.
Okay.
So I mean, I opened the book maybe, but then 2 chapters I read. Third, I did not. So that's why I was asking which chapter it is. And this is the fifth chapter, right? In the 10 p.m. session?
Yes, this is the 5th chapter that we are reading.
Yeah.
And tomorrow we have growth
Yes, tomorrow we
session.
have growth X session. I still now have nobody has confirmed. I have connected with couple of coaches who have not yet confirmed their availability. So we might have our own session wherein we are sharing our takeaways. ठीक है? For Sunday, Komal ko and Anita, both of them have a topic जिसके ऊपर वो डिलीवर करेंगे अपनी टॉक.
वाह.
एंड अब जो आएगा उसको कुछ तो मेवा मिलेगा ना. आई एम
What is the
और
topic?
संडे कितने बजे है? संडे कितने बजे है?
संडे इज ऑल्सो 1 PM.
एंड टुमारो इज आल्सो 1.
यस. संडे को
ओके.
2-3 सेशंस लेने हैं मुझको संडे को तो
तो
पे
हमारा एआई वाला सेशन कब हो रहा है?
कल कर लेंगे अगर कोई नहीं आएगा तो.
What is AI session?
आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस.
Oh, you're working on artificial intelligence.
No, the new, this chat GPT and all kind of these things. Yes.
Acha, okay,
We
okay.
we wanted to see how she make a prompts and everything, na? The
Oh,
way she is sending messages, it is beautiful. The
okay.
method is very good.
I'm not a techie person and I'm not interested to learn also. I feel at times.
So
Hmm.
on Sunday I'll tell you Sunday को क्या क्या होने वाला है. Sunday
Okay.
को there is जो आपका you are in the 7 day self-worth challenge, Mamta. So there is a
Yes.
session for that. There is a 1 PM session wherein Anita is going to talk about 4 or 5 emotions and how to deal with them. And Komal is going to talk about 4 personality types and how should we deal with people of those personalities. Okay. And the second session, ये 2 session हो गए, and the third session is Carnival of Hope, जिसका मैं आपको पूरा डिटेल्स बताऊंगी. How is it going to operate? What all programs are there that are going to happen over the entire 1 month. 11th May को that is the first session, but I'll be sending all the डिटेल्स जो भी उनके प्रोग्राम्स होने वाले हैं जब जब होने वाले हैं. आर यू पार्ट ऑफ आर्ट ऑफ पेरेंटिंग ग्रुप?
I filled up deep parenting, na?
की पेरेंटिंग वाला आपने भर दिया ना. यू आर अ पार्ट ऑफ दैट. ठीक है. कार्निवल. So you will get all the details there as well. तो if you are not there तो let me know. I'll add you in my group जिसके अंदर मैं वो ही शेयर करने वाली हूँ every single day कि अब इस हफ्ते ये programs होने वाले हैं. These are the timings. This is the link. Everything I'll be sharing there. ठीक है.
Okay.
That is my way of contributing to the mentor I have learned a lot from. So that is what I'm doing there. And I will be hosting 1 or 2 programs in that 1 month programs as well. एक है शक्ति नारी शक्ति सर्कल का एक इवेंट है. फर्स्ट जो सेशन है I'll be hosting that. And in teenagers के लिए एक प्रोग्राम है. I'll be hosting one of those sessions as well.
Regarding the teenagers program, just let me know, Karishma. I think
I'll send it to you personally.
Yeah.
Yeah, for teenagers, let me know also.
आपको तो मिल ही जाएगा ममता. You have.
अच्छा, उसमें आ जाएगा.
हाँ,
ठीक है.
you have,
So ठीक है. So tomorrow आपका एआई का सेशन है ना?
आ जाना. कुछ तो सीख ही लेंगे एक साथ बैठेंगे तो.
नहीं, मैं ये बोल रही थी उसमें I won't mind to take a short meditation session if you say.
पक्का.
ठीक है. Either in the beginning or in the end as you feel comfortable. छोटा, बहुत लंबा नहीं.
हाँ
Normal.
sure.
Done.
ठीक है. All right.
Okay.
Take care. Good night. Sleep well. Have a wonderful weekend and happy Mother's Day in advance. कि आप दोनों ममाज हो. तो God bless you. I hope you get lots
Thank
and
you.
lots of
Thank you,
love
and
and
wish you the
Thank you,
same
and
to
same to
Karishma.
you.
thank you. Thank you.
And
Bye.
wish you happy Mother's Day to Mamta and Karishma.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank you so
ma'am.
much.
आपको
Yeah.
भी.
Bye. Good
Bye
night.
bye.
Take
Yeah.
care.
Take
Bye
care.
bye.
Good night.